How to enable dark mode on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can enable dark mode on Reddit. So let's go. The first step is to log in into your Reddit account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Once a mini page is displayed on this page, scroll down and select settings, and you will be brought to your settings page. On your settings page, scroll up until you can see the option dark mode. All right, it is under the dark mode tab. Here you can see auto dark mode, you can see light theme, you can see dark theme. So once you can see dark mode, in order for you to enable this, just click on this toggle and then it will be turned on. Now the reason why the toggle is not moving is because the settings that my Reddit account is on currently is to follow my phone's theme. My phone is currently on dark mode, and as a result, it's automatically on dark mode. But for you, since yours is on light mode, just head over to this feature, click on this toggle, and then once it is turned on, the dark mode would be enabled on your Reddit account. So you can see how easy it is, right? So go ahead and enable that dark mode today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.